students, our topic is comparing numbers. We compare objects on the basis of their size, weights, height, length. Now let's compare the object based on quantities. When we have two objects of different quantities, one is more and the other is less. Dear students, we have pencils. In plate 1 we have only one pencil, and in plate 2 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. So plate 2 have more pencils than plate 1. So plate 1 has less pencil and plate 2 have more pencils. Now we have ballpoints. In plate 1 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 ballpoints in plate 1. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ballpoints in plate 2. So we have more ballpoints in plate 1 because 6 is bigger than 5. So plate 1 have more ballpoints. We have another example of more. Here we have pencils. In plate 1, how many pencils we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in plate 2 we have only 3 pencils. 1, 2, 3. So plate 1 have more pencils than plate 2. So we have more pencils in plate 1. So look here, we have markers. In plate 1 we have how many markers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 markers. And in plate 2 we have 2 markers. 1, 2. So we have 4 markers in plate 1 and 2 markers in plate 2. So we have more markers in plate 1. So we have more markers in plate 1. I hope students now you can understand comparing numbers more. So we have the first question. Write the number in the box which is more. So we have trees and we have flowers. We have how many trees we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many trees we have? 9. And how many flowers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many flowers we have? 6. And how many trees we have? 9. So the trees are more than flowers. So the trees are more than flowers because trees are 9 and flowers is 6. So we have to write in the box number 9. Number 9. What we have to write? Number 9. The next question is count the objects and take the set which has more. So we have pencils and we have circles. So we have count pencils. How many pencils we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pencils? 8. How many pencils? 8. And how many circles we have? 1, 2, 3. So the pencils are more than circles. So we have take the pencils. Because pencils are more than circles. So the next set we have razors and triangles. How many razors we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many razors we have? 4. And how many triangles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have take the more. Which are more? Triangles are more. We have to take the triangles because the triangles are more than razors. Okay, students?